do you know if a good idea will make a good business? Introducing the Launch League Idea Stage Program Toolkit. This toolkit was created for hubs to help entrepreneurs move from idea to business model through a structured program. It centers on the Launch League canvas, an easy-to-use template for entrepreneurs to map the different parts of their business and better understand how they work together to create value for their customers. This toolkit has all the resources you need to run a 6-week program. This kickstarts with an intensive 2-day bootcamp covering 5 modules that explore all the areas of the Launch League canvas. The entrepreneurs are then encouraged to go out, conduct research with potential customers, and share and discuss their learning in a series of meetups. Each module within the toolkit features slides for an overview of the module, videos to put the module in context, and worksheets, which allow entrepreneurs to apply their learning. It also includes a suggested meetup exercise and discussion. You can refer to the toolkit map and the Hub's guide to Idea Stage Program Facilitation to learn more about how the program and how each resource can be used. This toolkit is open license, so go ahead and use it. Browse the Launch League Idea Stage Program Toolkit now to help entrepreneurs in your community move from idea to launch.